Look at it. There's nothing there, you guys. It's all flat. Look, it's flat. Wait. There's a little bump right there. Okay, look, it's all flat. There's my Tawny. And there's her goddaughter. And there's her well, not Tawny's godmommy, but the goddaughter's godmommy. My baby. And I have a niece on the way.
Look at mommy.
Niece on the way.
Oh, you gonna keep on looking at
me?
I
have a friend on the way, mommy.
Why do you keep saying that?
Or a nephew. A nephew on the way. Friend.
Oh, wait. Say I'm flying. I'm flying. Look at your fat cheeks.
Funny. Look at the camera. Say hello to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Say she is single. I mean, she is taken for like the rest of her life.
For the rest of my life.
Nobody can touch her.
Real talk.
She is now like
the baby's property.
Yeah, basically.
Like seriously.
Just put a smile on. Put a smile on. Everybody, come on. I'm gonna cry. I will put the camera on my face with my eyes kind of swollen right now, and I look like Rocky just knocked me out. So, hi.